Karan and Crystal. Let the fun begin.
Karan and Crystal, in less than a month, it will be 1 year since I met you too. Sorry. 13 January. And we are sorry. Wondering for what? Yes. For sometimes going overboard with our tweets. We're really sorry if we've crossed our limits with our tweets and gone overboard. हमको माफ कर दो. नहीं यार, तुम्हारे जो tweets होते हैं ना, at times it really
Brightens up our day.
brightens up our
makes us
days. You know, when
happy.
we're not feeling well or we're just like, you know, bored. You know, that's all that we do. You know, we just keep scrolling through tweets and we keep reading it. It's so nice now when you have so many tweets coming in for no reason and for nothing that we've done. So
We were
don't-
trending for nothing that we've done.
Yeah. You know, I've just recently learned how to check what trends. So no, yeah, thank you. Yeah, don't be apologetic. Please keep doing it. You know, we really enjoy it. She sent out a few questions.
Rapid fire.
Where is it written?
Your rapid fire, it is answer instantly.
Okay.
I'm gonna ask you. Out of all the UK trips, which is the most special, what made you all change your DPs to Kriyan picture during the Leicester trip?
I think the Leicester trip was really lovely. You know, because that was one trip that we had a lot of time.
And the weather was very nice.
The weather was fantastic. We roamed around a lot.
The people we met were so nice.
छुट्टियों पे थे, मतलब शो खत्म हो गया था, तो you know
Stress free, yeah.
ज़्यादा वक्त बिता पाए. मैं पहले गया था, क्रिस्टल बाद में आई थी. I remember because you had some shooting commitments. Leicester was damn nice, yeah. You know, because we met Raj Badan. We met his
Rishi.
entire team. That's Rishi, Cash. So it was a very warm trip, honestly. And to meet so many fans, to interact with so many fans, it felt कि हम घर से निकले और वापस किसी घर में आ गए. एक बहुत ही अलग किस्म का एक्सपीरियंस था जो लास्ट लंदन की ट्रिप थी. You know, we did this very nice show at the Curve, which was put up so well, you know, and it was very personal. You know, it was in a theater, and the experience was very nice for us. It was one of the kind, one of the first that I have done, and I'm sure even she has. And you know, it was बड़ा अच्छा लगता है जब आप एक इवेंट करते हो जिसमें आपकी कंट्रीब्यूशन बहुत होती है in terms of वहाँ पर आना, you know, अपीयरेंस करना, लोगों से मिलना, बातें करना, और मुझे ये सारी चीज़ें सेटअप करने में बड़ा मज़ा आता है. So you know, I remember going, me and Raj, you know, the first day that we came into Leicester, we really sat down and
Sat
thought,
down, written
yeah, I
down
was like, क्या
everything.
करें यार, you know, क्या कर रहे हो, you know, give me a little layout of what you're doing, let's make this a lot of fun. And we did a lot, you know, with it. And you know, Raj and his entire team gave us that sort of liberty to, you know, go out of our way to involve ourselves, you know, in that way. So yeah, you know, and there was this other show that we did on the second day, which was on the street, and there was about
So
30,000
many
people.
people.
It was damn good, yeah.
I was damn cold. Okay.
Also, you know, this London trip is always nice, you know, because we've got Rajiv also, you know, who takes so much care of us. You know, honestly, London
much
has
fun.
been London because of Rajiv, and it's been so nice because of him. You know, he really takes us out. He takes interest in roaming around with us. And
I
I'm
think
sure
he's
if
more interested than us.
yeah, if he's listening, he's going to be gloating in himself. So yeah, you know, मजा आता है यार लंदन. बड़ा एक मौसम भी अच्छा होता है, खूबसूरत तो है ही लंदन. तो yeah, the last trip was very nice.
In which of Sasha's wedding functions did Katie look the most gorgeous, and which function did they enjoy the most? So much stress you don't even remember who was wearing what.
Yeah, you know, honestly, मैं इतना काम था, इतना भाग दौड़ कर रहा था. मैं किसी भी रात 3 घंटे से ज़्यादा सोया नहीं, 3-4 घंटे से खाना नहीं खाया था. So much work. मेरे को ये नहीं याद कि मैंने क्या बना था. Forget what Katie was wearing, but you know, Crystal's a very beautiful looking girl. I don't think she had a bad day with you know, with looking bad. As long as she's smiling and she brings her eyes along and she brings a little persona, I think you know, that's more than enough. And Sasha's wedding was a ball. You know, we had a damn good time.
Every function.
Yeah, every function was very good. You know, my entire family, we were all living in one hotel. We had about 30 rooms. So it was madness, yeah. It was crazy.
The big fat Indian wedding.
Her wedding was even trending on Twitter. यानी
Sasha की शादी.
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, yeah.
I enjoyed the most, I think. I enjoyed
cocktail,
the Sangeet cocktail.
Yeah, the Sangeet cocktail was.
It was a lot of
kick-ass.
pressure. It was a lot of
kick-ass.
tension before it started. And once it kicked off, we were having a blast. I think that's like the most fun I've had at a wedding.
Yeah, it was good fun. Yeah, it was good fun.
Yeah.
It was damn good fun.
It was great to see Katie playing a perfect host at Sasha's wedding. Karan, what do you have to say on it? Isn't KD just the best? I'm the best.
Yeah, you know, I mean, you know, दोस्ती होती है ये, you know, ऐसे मौक़ों पर, you know, जहाँ पर, you know, घर में functions होते हैं, you know, काम होता है, अगर दोस्त नहीं मदद करेंगे तो कौन करेगा? So I think it comes very naturally, you know, as you know, when you're friends, you become a part of the family. In times of, you know, when you need manpower, you need people to run around, and I think, you know, friends become extended family in that time. And Crystal did a lot of good things, you know. I mean, she made life a lot easier, and she played a good part of a buddy. Yeah, you know, let's not push that envelope there. But yeah, you know, as a friend, she was great. You know, but there's so much that she did. Really, I even told her that you know, thanks to her, it made my life easier, because I used to call her and be like, "Acha yaar, ye kar le. You know, I'm doing something else this time." So yeah, you know, अच्छा है यार,
I'm the best.
तुम मेहनत बहुत करती हो.
I'm the best.
Very बहुत हाँ.
I'm the best.
Yeah.
Say, I'm the best.
I'm the best.
I'm the best.
I'm the best.
Crystal is the best.
Karan's the best.
That's not fair.
And that's not fair.
You're mean. Anyway, rapid fire it is. What do these words mean to you? Live in relationship.
To each to his own. I mean, if it works for you, it works for you.
Long distance relationship.
Doesn't work for me at all.
Self control.
I have immense
Crystal D'Souza.
self-control.
Your Audi's backseat.
Never been used.
Are you a possessive boyfriend or not?
Very.
Most special thing KD has done for you.
The most special thing, I think, just the fact that she's always been around when I need her. After sending 100 SMSs that, listen, I need you, please be around. And she comes to my rescue, so I think that's very special of her. Long distance relationships.
Doesn't work at all.
Sweetest love proposal.
Haven't got any.
जी?
Yeah.
Rabta or Ishq wala love? Ishq wala love.
Ishq wala love.
Hottest Karan in Teletown. Karan Tacker.
It's my question.
Okay, sir.
Karan Tacker.
Biggest turn on in Karan Tacker. Wow.
Turn on.
Yeah.
I think the way he
Biggest turn on.
biggest turn
Biggest.
on is his intelligence. I think he's a very intelligent, very smart person. He's well spoken. I think that is what is a very nice turn on. He has a superb sense of humor. How can I forget that?
How many times have you been turned on around Karan Tacker?
That's not a question.
That is. It's
It can't be.
biggest turn off about Karan Tacker.
That's not a question.
ये personally पूछ रहा हूँ. This is my personal rapid fire.
But he's little annoying.
Most thoughtful thing that Katie has ever done for you. This even I can't answer.
There are too many, no? To note down. I think, I don't know how this will sound, but in day-to-day life, he's very thoughtful about me. Whether it comes to whether I've eaten properly, to I've not slept on time to wake up early, or you know, anything like that. He's always bothered, and he's always very thoughtful that, you know, he treats me like I'm this little child who doesn't know what time to sleep, what time to wake up, what time to eat food or not. So I think that's very thoughtful that, you know, he cares so much. That is why he asks me so many questions.
Yeah, I'm dying to be a mother.
Yeah, the mother in him gets up when I'm around. Last question.
Last question. What do you two have to say about Lokhandwala market and its ambience? You two can skip the question, as we haven't written this particular question in our question paper copy. What? I love the Lokhandwala market here. I don't know in what context you're asking this, but I really love the market because मुझे याद है बचपन में हम मैं और मेरे दोस्त वहाँ पे गेड़ी मारने जाते थे और हम लड़कियाँ देखने जाते थे.
मुझे लोखंडवाला market, I've become friendly with Lokhandwala market in the past few years. So I love the market. It's fun. It's random shopping and window shopping.
Alright, thank you so much. This comes in from Aradhya, Nabamita, Puvi, Tanvi, Sara, Saida, Shweta, Sanya, Veenal, Jeena, Khushbu. Thank you.